Yes, good morning class. Hope you all are fine. Now yesterday we have done what we have done yesterday. Yesterday we have done with U, small cursive letter U. We have done with small cursive letter U. Now today we will start with letter I. What are the letters that come with I? I, inkpot. I, India, motherland India. I, igloo. I, insect. The phonic sound of I is I. So, as you know, this is the capital I and this is small I. This is the small cursive I which you will learn. So I am repeating it again. मैं फिर से repeat कर रही हूँ. The letters which come with I is I inkpot. Say with phonic sound. I India, motherland India. I igloo and I insect. So these are the letters which come with I. So take out your cursive letter small. You have to take out cursive small letter and open. We have done with you. Now open the page number. It is given over here. The page number is 6. It is given over here. The page number is 6. So just open your page number 6 and what is given over there, as we have learned it I insect. The same is given over here. I insect. Insect मतलब कीड़े, जो भी छोटे छोटे कीड़े होते हैं उनको क्या बोलते हैं? Insect. So as you have practiced the strokes, which one stroke children? As you have practiced this one stroke, you have practiced this one stroke. So this stroke will help you to write I. And children, I have seen in many of the child that you write like this. So don't write like this. This is the wrong. As I earlier told you, cursive letters, the small cursive letters, there are many cursive letters which come only in 2 lines like this. This come only in 2 lines. The second line and the bottom line, and we always start from the bottom line. हम हमेशा bottom से start करते हैं और सारे ही cursive letters 2 lines में आते हैं. Okay, so now we will start with I insect, and you can paste any of the picture. So today I am drawing an ink pot. What am I drawing? An ink pot. So you can draw, और from the earlier notebooks you can paste. आपके पास पुरानी notebooks होंगी, so you can paste the picture of ink pot. I have made the picture of ink pot. So you all can also make picture of ink pot. और आपके पास पुरानी बुक्स होंगी तो उसमें जितने भी, यदि आपसे रिलेटेड कोई आई से पिक्चर मिलता है आप स्टिक कर सकते हैं. यू कैन स्टिक आइसक्रीम ऑल्सो, योर फेवरेट वन. You all love ice creams, so you can paste ice cream also. So now we will start writing. You children, there are 3 lines. In this 3 line just you have to only trace it. आपको सिर्फ trace करना है और लाइन के बाहर नहीं बनाना है. आप अच्छे से trace करेंगे, if you do it correctly then you will get it. So as I told you, cursive letter we always start from a third line. So put your pencils at third line और bottom line. cursive letter हमेशा third line से start करते हैं. So put your pencils at third line and just trace it. Go up, come down, draw a curve and put a dot, and don't write like this. This is the wrong one. The correct one is this one. Draw a curve, come down, then again draw a curve and put a dot and say I ice cream. Again draw a curve, come down, draw a curve, a small curve and put a dot. I ice cream. You will do this and I am telling you in this one. So as I told you, we will always start from a bottom line. So draw a curve, go up, draw a curve line, come down and draw a curve, a half curve like this. So this is, and put a dot and say I ice cream. Again draw a curve, go up, come down and draw a small curve, put a dot. Yes, I ice cream. You have to write each one and speak. Draw a curve, come down, draw a curve, I ice cream. Draw a curve, go up till second line, come down till third line, draw a half curve, put a dot, I ice cream. Children, you have to write each and say I ice cream. Then you will learn it and you will recognize it. आप बोल बोल कर लिखेंगे तभी आपको पता चलेगा इसको आई आइस क्रीम बोलते हैं. ओके, आई एम रिपीटिंग इट अगेन. ड्रॉ अ कर्व, go up, come down and draw a small curve like this and put a dot. Ice cream. So put the date at the top, put the date at the top and do 2 pages as a practice. You have to do in your cursive small letters. This is I ice cream or I ink pot or I insect. It is given in your book. And children, with this you will revise your rhyme 2 little dicky birds and the other rhymes which we have completed earlier, and I am repeating it again. 2 little dicky birds sat on a wall, one named Peter, the other named Paul. Fly away Peter, fly away Paul, come back Peter, come back Paul. So have a nice day and do your work neatly. Thank you.